today I'm gonna pick up my video. I'm trying to be really loud because if I wasn't, I don't think I would have friends. Well, whatever. So what we're gonna be doing today, I didn't really think it out, so I'm gonna do some random stuff. Why do I always record? I feel stupid. So, today, we're gonna be looking at these two messages. Because people just like to message me. I'm like, it's really weird. So, I think they want my greets. Like, they're really annoying. Because look how much diamonds I have. Okay, so gotta wait now. So this is my account equals it's red equals I'm not sure why I always play this game. Just don't know why. It's always stuck in my head, you know. Okay, so I just like to record because I'm always bored. So this keeps me entertained. Yeah, most of my friends think I have special needs. I do. So, yeah, so Rem, I accidentally gave you my girlfriend address, Yuki. And that's not your YouTube. What? What? Okay, it's about to go down. Okay, and that's not your YouTube. It is. Is I, Aaliyah. Okay, if I do, please, and that's not your YouTube. Well, okay, so I don't think she knows what is gonna happen. She's really annoying. She just added me and she was like, "Can I have a Greek?" And I'm like, "No, because you don't." No, because guess what? You don't ask. Why can't I respond to her like roasting her? First of all, I don't care if there's haters and I don't care if there's hate comments because one day I'm gonna react to these hate comments. Like it's really mean and yeah, it is. My thing is question sorry. It's like I have a lot going on right now. I'm on a call with my friends. Yes, it is. So, my girlfriend dress. Yeah. Yes, it is. I'm gonna kick you in the throat. Hiya. This ain't a race, but I still take first place. I walk around in Gucci, and I'm doing mealtime, so soon. If you want to do this, if you want to give me gifts, I swear. Yes, it is. It is I, Aaliyah. Okay, so hater, a crazy rose. You would regret that. so, because I'm recording right now. But anyways, I don't even want to be on this call with my friends. They're really annoying. I don't know why I'm their friend anyways, so like, take a look at my girlfriend. No, only this dude has given me a green. I never greeted him back though, because I mean. Anyways, we're gonna go look at who tried to add me. Add me back so I can. Add me back. Okay. Shout out to Crazy Rosie. God, I love your photos. Okay, so like, please like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to this channel because, you know, I'm very lonely. There's other accounts, and I should change my YouTube name, so I should say. I don't think anybody has the same thing as me. I'm gonna put, okay, but I'm different, so. None of my friends are on MSP. They can not hear me because I'm glitching, and they're really boring because they're playing Roblox, and like, it's not really famous anymore to me because it's like getting boring, you know. So let's go on. I don't know if they're still on a call with me because they probably like, I don't know, this girl, she's like my friend and all, but like, I don't even know where her. Okay. So I just finished the whole cup of Starbucks. Believe me, been there, done that. Oops. I hate this. Okay. Can I look at like all the friend requests I have, which is only one? Oh my god. I'll just be her friend because I'm nice. She's okay. I used to have a friend. She was really nice. But then, I don't know, we haven't been like talking to each other that much now. Oh my god, I like my this computer. So let me just look at my thing. So I think I like maybe have some like create and rate. I got 4 and okay. Let me claim these. I'm almost level 17. So please auto me. Well, bye guys. Like and comment and subscribe to this channel. Let me just look at my piggy bank for a second. I want to see how much I have. Probably none, but probably just a lot of oh, I had 53 diamonds in there before. Okay, so I only Okay, so bye guys.